Bro. No, for real though. For real though. Cookie cutty variety. Well, I'm telling you, we can do this. All right. You ready for this? Being serious. Honk, honk, if it quacks, it walks. What's running through your mind for honk, honk, if it quacks, it walks?
By honk, honk, what exactly are you describing? I think you're a little delusional right now.
Ducks in front of you, you honk, honk, and if it quacks, it walks. So it's learning our patience and not hindering our own drive because of temporary bumps in the road, and in this case being life.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Guess what? You get to animate the ducks in a car waiting for the ducks. Honk, honk, if it quacks, it walks. So it's not going to be me, it's going to be honk, honk. It's getting in touch with their animal ancestors. Honk, honk. Intelligent mumble is going to have the sounds of nature. The sounds of nature with a mumble sound effect.
I don't know if I have any ideas for honk honk. If it quacks, it walks.
Yes. So this album is gonna be the real Bible, but it's gonna be like a road trip. So it's gonna be the real Bible, but it's gonna be like us traveling the country. You get into ducks into like weird parts of Florida, weird parts of Louisiana. Oh god. Can I just point out we found Twerky? Honk, honk, if it quacks, it walks. Honk, honk, if it quacks, it walks. Honk, honk, if it quacks, it walks. Honk, honk, bitch.
It's gonna be a very, very weird mixtape.